Top 2024 scams. Scams are continuing to evolve, but the underlying approach remains the same, to get you to act quickly without thinking through the situation so the scammer can get your personal financial information. The goal, of course, is to steal your money. The Federal Trade Commission reports that consumers lost more than $10 billion to fraud last year, which is a 14% increase over the prior year. Have you or someone you know become the victim of a scam? Being aware of the top 2024 scams is your first line of defense. So let's jump in. Phone scams. Here's where impersonators pose as representatives from your bank, the IRS, etc. They try to convince you that your account is at risk. They'll ask for your bank information, account number, PIN, etc. Robocalls. These are automated calls that use a recording. They often try to sell you something or convince you that something is wrong. Popular robocall scams include auto warranty scams, where they'll try to convince you that you must extend your auto warranty or even buy a warranty from a company that's not legitimate. IRS scams. Someone pretending to be from the IRS will say that you have a refund coming or an amount due, and that they need your bank account information to process the transaction. Remember, the IRS initiates most outreach through mail. Text scams. Similar to phone scams, but can be even more dangerous. Texts from senders posing to be your bank or the IRS or another organization. They usually ask you to call a number or click on a link, which installs malware on your device. Online shopping scams. Here, scammers set up websites that look like legitimate online stores, only to steal your personal financial information or sell you stolen goods. Zelle scams. These are calls, texts, or emails from someone pretending they work for your bank's fraud department, saying that someone was trying to steal your money through Zelle and they'll help you fix it. From there, they'll tell you to send money to yourself, but really it ends up going to them instead. Student loan forgiveness. These are scams where the scammer feeds off knowing that people want to believe their student loans will be forgiven. They direct you to a fake application website only to steal your social security or bank account information. Grandparent scams. The scammer poses as your grandchild and pretends to be in an urgent situation, like in jail or behind on an important bill. They then ask for financial assistance. AI-generated scams. Something newer here. Scammers will impersonate a family member or a friend and ask for money, or even a celebrity to trick you into thinking you're investing in a legitimate company. They do this by manipulating videos and recordings on social media to produce realistic-looking videos or voice recordings. Medicare scams. Someone claims to be a Medicare representative will reach out to you and ask you for personal and medical information. They might say that you need a new Medicare card or even offer additional coverage at a discount. Then, of course, they use and sell your personal financial information. Charity scams. Here, scammers convince people to send money to a fake charity. They pressure you to act quickly and sometimes tie it to a current event to make it more believable. Romance scams. These usually start online. Someone builds a romantic relationship with you, getting to know you over weeks or even months. Then they ask for money, whether it's to help them in a difficult situation or invest in a business opportunity. Employment scams. People, including seniors, looking for a new job or to make money working from home is who they're targeting. Here, they say that all you need to do is pay for the training fee. Once they have your personal information, of course, they'll use it for illegal purposes. Money mule scams. Scammers try to recruit money mules through job ads. They'll ask you to deposit funds into your bank account and transfer money to someone else. It may seem legitimate since you're being paid to work, but the extra funds that you're transferring may be to launder criminals' funds. What can you do if you become a victim? First, start with reporting it to the FTC. Next, file a police report. And finally, remember to report it to other parties that were involved, whether it's your bank, credit card company, phone provider, or email provider. From there, scan your devices using antivirus software and anti-malware software, if necessary. Change your passwords, use stronger passwords, and be sure to use a password manager to help you remember your new passwords. Next, you can do a fraud alert and even consider freezing your credit. you would do this by contacting the 3 credit bureaus. If you need help with these or other financial topics, please contact Pure for a free financial assessment.